Tuesday again. We are here alive, live with my friend Gilberto Lopez. Very happy because we are opening like always, like every Tuesday at almost 6 o'clock. It's quarter to six. We are very puzzled for you. This is your program, and we have a new logo. Our friend Gilberto Lopez is going to explain us. Is still talking about questions, still talking about crypto. We're still talking about everything that you will like about finances. But today we are going to present a new logo for you, a logo for this adventure with Gilberto Lopez. It's exactly almost quarter to six, and we are running alive. Well, hello, my friend Gilberto Lopez. How are you?
Hello, Charlie. I'm fine, thank you. Thank you for this invitation. And we have our new logo, which is Avatar Bank, because we hope to start ourselves as a bank in the metaverse. Because you need a bank, you know. We need a bank.
Yes.
We already we have I have like 2 years investigating about the metaverse, about the cryptocurrencies and all that stuff, and I see that we need the banking services in the metaverse. So that's why we're going to establish ourselves as a meta bank for
Yes.
Metaeconomics, right?
Metaeconomics capital. I like that. I like the blue. I like the white. I like your hands, my hands with your hands, handing up. You know, I mean
Yes.
that's a good logo for starting this new good idea to explain to everyone. And of course, like you say, so we are going to have a bank for you. That's real. That's real, and that's very important for us. You know.
Yeah. Well, I think this is going to be a platform that is going to help all the all the businesses that are trying to go to the metaverse to have different services as they have in the real life. So we can help with that.
Yes, yes, and is coming a few changes in the world. Is coming a peace in Russia. Is coming a peace also. Less problems with COVID-19. You know, all these problems is coming down, and of course the crypto and everything is coming up. Right now we are laughing about. The Mexican people is very curious, and they have very I think happy comedy about the dollar and the euro, that is in this 20 dollars and almost the same. The dollar and the euro is almost the same, and here we are laughing. But it's good for us. It's good for the Mexican finances, because I hope so. One day, I hope so, where we will be a part of the dollar. Long time ago, we were a part of the dollar. Very
Uh,
long time ago.
Well, it's not bad, but let's talk to the Argentinians and see what they think. you know,
No, no, they don't. They would don't like it. Yeah, you're right.
yeah.
But
The problem there is that if you can have the same pair with the dollar in the economy, but the problem is that if you are not at the same velocity, sooner or later you're gonna left behind. So the dollar is
that's
going to go up, 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 up because
yeah,
you're a lot behind from the dollar, and the economy is letting down, and that's what is
yeah.
happening right now in Argentina.
In Argentina, yeah,
Yeah,
that happened because the all the structure economic of every country is different. Is going down or is going at different velocity, like you say so. And in United States, is going very fast. They're
yeah,
they have very finances intelligent, that country. Also, England, Germany is coming up. Also, that, and for sure, we know that everything is changing. But let's talk about the crypto, and let's talk about the Meta. Congratulations for the logo. This is our logo, and today we are opening to the audience, and I hope so they follow us with that incredible logo. We are going to put it everywhere now in all our sites and our pages that we have to call the people and say to everyone that we are now today opening with this nice, beautiful logo. I hope so. Everyone like it like me.
They
Okay.
can have their comments. We can see their comments, right?
Yes. Yes. Please remember all the media, all the YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, all they have chats. Please leave a message. You can write everything you want. But today we want to know about your opinion about our logo, the color, the hands, the letter. Please give a. We need to know about you, and will be very nice that you will tell us what you feel, what you see, and we will receive all the critics. We are opening for to doing that. Okay, I have a question for you, my friend. I have it here for the last week. How crypto will change the world? Oh, I like that. How how crypto will change the world? Yes,
Well,
sir.
well, that's a complex answer because let's say that the crypto is based on the um, blockchain technology. So as soon as the internet evolves, the blockchain is going to be very important. And this is one of the things that are very curious. You know, the banks say, "Hey, don't invest in cryptocurrencies," but they are doing investing in cryptocurrencies right now. They don't offer to the customers, but they are investing in the cryptocurrencies. Why? Because they know right now the cryptocurrencies are very low in price, and soon or later that is going to go up, and so they're going to fill their hands with a lot of money, and they don't want you to know that. But
No.
let's let's put that aside and talk about the crypto. You know, in order to have a virtual world, we need an exchange. We need money to exchange. So that is why the cryptocurrency right now with the metaverse and the Web3 is becoming more and more relevant and more important. Because as soon as we have more investment, more time in the metaverse, we are going to need more electronic currency, and these electronic currencies are going to be the cryptocurrencies, and all that is going to accelerate the development of the countries. Right now, we were talking about the different speed of the economics from Argentina and United States, and if you apply the cryptocurrencies to your country, to your business, that's going to be better because you're going to be in advance, almost at the same piece of the biggest companies in the United States. So that's why
Wow.
the cryptocurrency is going to be very important in the future for business.
Wow, that's a good, very good answer. Thank you. To be very clear, and we can understand that the crypto will change, and the crypto will change all the world. I have another question for you, my friend. Where crypto money goes really is a good question for the people is looking us.
Yeah. Well, I think we have to compare with anything you have. You know, let's go to the beginning of economics where you have a chicken, or let's say something to eat. Where the money goes if you have a chicken, to the owner of the chicken, right? And
Right.
and what does he do with that money? He pays something else. Probably he buys food for the rest of the chickens. Probably he pays for the bills for the doctor, and we don't know. He has his own payments and he has his own responsibilities. This is the same with the cryptocurrency. As soon as you are in the cryptocurrency, as soon as you are in the metaverse, as soon as you are buying these cryptocurrencies, you need to pay bills. So as soon as you have one or two cryptocurrencies or a fraction of them, you can exchange it for a different type of asset or a different type of good. So where the money goes to the owner cryptocurrency. That's
Wow.
the short answer, Charlie.
Right. The short answer are very clear because that's good for everyone, because they have their own crypto, they sell their own crypto, and will be back again. And it's easier to see it and move it in your wallet, in your bank, in your technologic way to see moving all your money in this avatar bank, metro economic capital. That's very easier. Okay, now, crypto can be mined. Yeah,
Well, it is minded.
yeah,
The let's think
can be
about
mined.
yeah, let's think about the same thing in the last answer. Imagine
Okay.
when you're let's say about silver. Do you like silver or do you prefer?
I love silver. No, silver is
Okay,
fine.
let's talk about silver. How much
Yeah.
silver do you think it's in the world? Do we have an idea?
Whoa. No, no, really.
No, we don't
No,
have an
really.
idea, right?
We
So,
don't have an idea. Yeah.
well, probably we have a similar account because they took some information. So
Mines.
they
Yeah.
they think they think we have something silver, a certain
Yes.
amount, but we are not sure for sure, right?
No, we are not. No.
Well, that's different in the crypto market.
Mine.
In the crypto
Okay.
market, when we establish, let's think like one of the cryptocurrencies is silver. So we're going to create silver in the crypto market. And that
Yes.
coin, we say, we're going to establish a silver crypto, and this silver crypto is going to be, let's say, 3,000 3,000 coins or 3 million, whatever you want. And those
Yes.
coins have to be minted. Right? I mean, what what's minted means? It means that they are going to be created,
Oh,
and,
I see. I see. Yeah.
and they have to be created in a different technology. Probably it's Ethereum because they are based in Ethereum, most likely.
Yeah.
And some of them are created in Bitcoin. If they're going to have no value for some other stuff, like only for money, then you can create it on Bitcoin technology. But if it's going to be for, let's say, certifications, NFTs, Web3, or whatever, smart contracts, all of them have to be minted in Ethereum technology. Okay? So as soon
Yes.
as we pay to the Ethereum blockchain to create our own individual coins. And when we have our own coins, then the coins are not minted. They are the miners we know because they use the word miner, and we think like the miners are rich because they found silver. But the reality is that they have to pay taxes, they have to pay for the labor, they have to pay for all the tools they need. And in this case, it's almost the same. The silver, cryptocurrency silver, is already there and it exists, and we know the amount. That's the main difference. We know that the cryptocurrency silver have 3 millions because we decided that way. But as soon as we exchange hands, like I'm going to give you, Charlie, 1,000 coins, and Charlie is going to sell and all that stuff. That's what the miners do. They change the money from one hand to another hand. So they change the names on the ownership of anything. It's
Yes.
it's kind of the notario, the public
Yes.
notary. So
Yeah. Not the notary. Yes.
yeah,
The
it's
law of the papers.
almost the same. They
Yes.
only say like it's not my name, but let's say my name is A1. So A1 transfers to A2. So A1 has one coin less, and A2 have one coin more. That's what
Yeah.
that's what the miners do. But
Right.
the amount of silver cryptocurrency is already given, so we know how much money it exists.
Okay. Wow. Wow. Now, what happened if the mine with you can sell it, or you have only one mine, like the silver. Remember, it's only silver,
Oh,
and or but they have different owners because they find this coin in the silver is very simple. Maybe you can go behind the earth like
Yeah.
like the gold, on the river. You can go to the river and you have gold, right?
Right.
uh, but that's natural, and one day maybe disappear, maybe not, we don't know, right?
Right.
Or they explore, or go to another place and they don't find ni gold and no silver anymore. They need to go to another place. That happened with the crypto. You need to
Yeah.
move around looking for.
It's almost the same thing. The thing
Okay.
is what happens in the scenario that there's no more gold to be mined.
You
What
need
do
to
you
go to
do?
another scenario. Yeah, you need to move, right?
Well, let's think there's no more. You already exploded all the
Yeah.
earth, and there's no more
Okay.
gold. What do you do?
Whoa. Change to the another planet.
You
Well,
recycle, Charlie.
oh, I can recycle.
You
That's
recycle.
true.
So,
That's true.
so that
Yeah.
means when we
Okay,
arrive to
I can give you my silver watch and I can recycle my watch to the again to make a silver. Right.
that's right. So
Yeah.
that's cryptocurrency. We already know how much cryptocurrency there is,
Yes.
and it's already taken. Somebody is the owner of that coin. Do you need more cryptocurrency? You buy it from
No,
someone that already have it, which is
right.
the same thing as recycling.
That's true. That's true. I didn't think about that way, but now is clear for me. Yes, very, very clear. Because recycle is going to be always
Yeah,
forever.
this is one story that I like to tell because
Yes, please.
do
Yes.
I do beer, and
Yes,
so
I
so when I
yes.
was studying for how to make beer, uh, there was something that it kept on my mind: the water. So how many years do we know that we have water in the earth?
Whoa. We don't have that time. I think forever or two, because if we don't have water, we will die in this planet.
But how many years do you think the water? There's no new drop of water in the earth. No new more. Not not
It's
a
not going
single
to.
drop of water new in the earth.
I don't know. Will
Forever,
sound very.
Charlie.
I'm sorry.
Forever. There's
No,
no
it's
new
always
drop of water because it's always like the stages of the water is like
yes,
it's liquid,
yeah,
then it's gas, and then it
yes,
condenses and go down
yes,
as a water. You know,
yes. Will be forever. I
it,
I say so.
it's always
If the water,
recycling.
yes,
It's
natural.
always recycling. So I was
Yes.
I, w- I was wondering how can I get new water? There's no new water. All the water in the world, all the water in the world, is recycled by the earth, but recycled.
Yes,
You know,
yes,
and in
yes.
in the 15th century, people didn't drink water because it was very polluted. It was very bad. So you can't drink it. You have to
That's true.
to take it to
Yes.
the boiler. So that is the same exactly thing that is going to be with the cryptocurrency. We already know how much silver in the cryptocurrency market, and we can change the name for silver for Ethereum. We can change the cryptocurrency name of you name it. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
We already know how much money in that cryptocurrency exists, and the value is how much the people is interested on having that technology because you needed to create webs, you needed to create certifications, you needed to create NFTs, you needed to create the Web3, you need to create all that stuff that is in the metaverse somehow is going to use the cryptocurrency. And as much as you need, the price is going to go up. And it is recycled, so the prices are going to go up, up, up as soon as the demand exceeds the offer.
The offer. Yes. Wow. It's forever, like you say.
Yeah,
Yeah.
almost forever, Charlie. Do we have
Almost. Yeah. No, sir. No, sir. For this week, it's gone. We have this. No, this is. We are no
We're,
more questions right now. Like
okay.
we, like I
So
told you.
let's invite to the people, to everyone that is right now with us, to send us an email or send us any kind of a message so we can respond all their questions, and we invite them to be part of this community in the Avatar Bank. We're going to have different services. You can be part of this bank. You can also buy a part of this bank and be aware of the new trendings in the metaverse and the cryptocurrency and the blockchain and everything in the virtual world. How do you think? How do we say bye to the audience, Charlie?
I will say I'm sorry that I am inside right now in the building because I was connected in the garden, in my beautiful garden, and came the rain, and I decided to come here to this beautiful place right now. But I will say goodbye, and I see you next week. And don't forget to, like Gilberto said, please write a letter, write a chat, call us, everything you need. We will help you to be in an avatar bank. Remember, always is going to be near you. That's the way, in
I just want
economics
to
way.
I just want to thank you, Charlie, because I know you're
Thank
traveling.
you.
So thanks
Yes.
for connecting and being here in the program. Thank you very much.
No, thank you very much. And I will see you next Tuesday.
Have a nice trip, Charlie. See you later,
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you.
Bye.